ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan ra ashapi dak Orange Nissan Looms Hope Ho near Fire Brigade Shillong ringkat bat ka M Crown Hotel Kandailat Shillong ka Three Olives Restaurant bala Plie nakbentaban Shakriya P hapo ka jingada jong ka Bio Bubble Antivirus Coating ringkat ka Cosmic Kingdom ka Jakai lekai bapaw ha Shillong bala yada na ka Bio Bubble Antivirus Coating bala le da ka Meva Enterprise
Komisi benta ka jing rakhi ya ka jingyai lenti ka pasaupu khandai snem jong jila Meghalaya uba Alexander L. Heck ubalong menteri badai pe ya katanan Arts and Culture jong ka sarkar jila haka arfuai terek jong benai kelalengkot hajar arfuai ula Plie pai ba ya ka Khyrdop Khilon lani ka Arch Gate ka ba priang sngubha ya ki pai ba ban Rung shapo ka State Central Library ka balong ru ka wei na ki jaka ba ka sarkar kalakan show ya ki kot jing tip balai phojai Kijing bu jing sat jong menbarim ki badon haka Captain Williamson Sangma Museum bat ha Sosotham Auditorium kabalong ru ka wei na ki jaka ba ki pai ba ki jus ngotanat ba ban penlong ya ki jing yalang namar ba ka dei ka jaka kabalong pedeng ba ya barok ki pai ba nong shong snong haka jella Hagajing Plie ya kani ka Khyrdop Khilon la sakhi langru dau Commissioner and Secretary jong atnat Arts and Culture jong sarkar jela uba Frederick Roy Karkongor kentup ru yau Director jong atnat Arts and Culture uba W Nongsi bat QA.
Root Bridge, we have the Secret Groves, we have the pastures, we have the Borang. So that mural there will be representative of all the three cultures of Khasi, Jaintia as well as Garo tribes that that inhabit this state. We've also tried to infuse a bit of the musical element with the with the drum and and the nakra bomb on top. Plus there is the pra on top, which is the Khasi umbrella, and also used for the rice to separate the husk from the rice. And also on this gate also you'll be seeing some other cultural elements representative of Khasi Khasi as well as Garo musical instruments, jewelry, and so on and so forth.
Of the Art and Cultural Department, we have the Joint Secretary of Art and Cultural Department, Bar Nongri, and also we have in our midst today in our dais, Bar Hangkyu, the additional architect, the chief architect of the PWD building, and all our staff of the Art and Cultural Department. Our friends from the media, both from the printing and the electronics and the print media, thank you very much for presenting here today. All these years we have seen this gate is like any of other school gate of Shillong. Today is really looking very iconic. We'd like to thank the efforts made by all the staff of the Art and Culture Department, right from the PWD, also the Barafan, Warzi, who is the main man behind to conceptualize this project to make it a reality today. Thank you very much to each one of you who has put your mind and hearts together to see our dreams it's turned into reality. Today, it's really, this arch gate, it really symbolizes to the traditions and the culture of our tribes, of our tribal people. Today, since we are also celebrating the 49 year of the statehood, I really attribute this arch gate to those who are fought for our statehood. Those who are really fought for our statehood are a freedom fighter who really fought to give us our beautiful states, Meghalaya. We really tribute these arch gates to them. And also we dedicated the arch gates to these people who have fought and give us this beautiful state of Meghalaya.
Khyrdop jong ka Art and Culture Department kedai ke kepala mi naga liang jong u minister hi ba eleh nang ta leng ba jong commissioner ngilai song banya slok banya penwandu di kini ke ibrakhot tikila khot yenga kum u bariko rong ba jong gariti academy bengile don lang hang tu banya perkhat lang ban yawan ra ke ika dur ke bapaka bangila ban bu ke ban longgum ke selamat jongka jela tikini gi bro khoi gilong gi jinge trilang hoi nga kum u barikor ngala persang hi ban wan ra iki nak basdang den re hadin ba ngala penpau pat jongki hadin bangala penpau mat jongki niki kendam gilandan jong sarkar di kalami ke ba kham janai kham ha di kumba pi imta kate profai ke dama dari jong ki garu bat sing ke jong ki kasi bagi pana jadi ke ba ke benta jong ka bakungsan ba ha lesi suang no kum ha ba lumpat ni kum ha pertasnong hai tikani nakhmat hina selangmat jong ka sarkar jela dan kini ki ban dong kum pertaban pathai ke badan apa ke jela tikini ki ha ang tu apa marhab de kan sedan ki ba kintang wanra susu ban nikmat ban penpau susu ya bading ruspa jong ka riti ke destur jong